The concept of dietary recommendations, known as kind plates, emerged in the late 18th century with the introduction of modern agriculture and food preservation methods. Initially used to promote balanced diets among European peasants during famines, kind plates provided detailed guidelines on what foods should be consumed daily for health and nutrition. The practice gained prominence as agronomists like Sir John Henslow introduced scientific principles to nutrition in the mid-19th century, advocating for the consumption of whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and lean meats. This period saw significant improvements in food processing techniques, leading to a reduction in malnutrition among urban populations during epidemics such as typhus. Key developments accelerated with World War I, which highlighted nutritional deficiencies within troops and civilians alike, prompting governments to issue dietary guidelines focused on protein intake for soldiers and overall health for the general populace. Post-war initiatives furthered these efforts through public health campaigns targeting diseases like beriberi and scurvy, resulting in increased life expectancy rates across various demographic groups. By mid-century, scientific advancements in food science led to more precise recommendations such as dietary fiber requirements and iron supplementation to combat anemia. In the 1970s, the rise of processed foods began to undermine traditional eating habits. However, this period also saw greater emphasis on individual lifestyle choices contributing to health issues. The introduction of food labeling regulations in several countries by the late 20th century aimed at educating consumers about nutrition and healthier food options, thereby influencing purchasing decisions. Over time, kind plates have evolved from simple recommendations into complex models, accounting for cultural differences, dietary restrictions due to medical conditions, and emerging health risks such as obesity. According to recent studies, adherence to such dietary guidelines has reduced chronic diseases by up to 30% in some populations globally, with direct financial savings estimated at over $1 trillion annually. However, challenges remain ensuring equitable access to nutritious food sources, particularly in regions struggling with undernutrition and malnutrition. In conclusion, kind plates represent a continuum of human understanding about nutrition, evolving alongside technological advancements in agriculture and food production methods. By 2050, projections suggest continued refinement of these guidelines as part of broader global efforts towards achieving sustainable diets that meet nutritional needs without degrading ecosystems or causing environmental harm. To optimize future outcomes, integrating technology-driven personalized dietary recommendations with community-based education initiatives could significantly enhance public health across diverse socio-economic contexts globally.